Alright, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing review of the Logitech G903 Gaming Mouse. So I picked this up at Best Buy. Been needing a new mouse for a while. I had a new mouse, which is this Corsair right here, but it's tailored more for a right-handed person, and I'm a lefty. More so than other mice I've used, it's been this one is really more significantly tailored to a right hand. So I went down. This is supposed to be a highly rated mouse for left-handers. It's ambidextrous. You can use it either way, and then you can switch the buttons apparently. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I took the plastic off already. Preparation for this video. I was gonna cheat and open it up, but I didn't do it yet. So first things first, we'll go ahead and open this up. Take the sleeve off. We got here nice little canvas feeling kind of case. It's kind of stuck there. Oh yeah, huh? That's nice. Back that up there. Alright, so first thing we see, mouse in there, got plastic on the bottom. Seems pretty light. Now I've seen in some videos it had a cable with it, but this one, okay, so it looks like, let's check it out, the rest of it. Take out this. Okay. Instructions. Yeah, okay, there is a cable. There's a USB cable. Oh, made specifically for this mouse. Yeah, okay, I see what they did here. So you have the choice of either going wireless or wired, which I'm gonna go wired for gaming. We have a piece right here. Seems to be okay. Transmitter. Okay, it's the dongle for the wireless portion, it looks like. What this is actually, we'll have to check that out. Might not be. It's an adapter or something. We'll have to look in the instruction book and see exactly what that piece is. I haven't used this thing before, so. Cool little case, a little metal coin or something here. It's pretty cool. Set that off to the side. Now we got that unboxed. We'll go ahead and see what we can do. Go ahead and remove this plastic. Seems pretty nice so far. So we have this. Oh, I wonder if that's the battery. I'm going to check this thing out a little more than. I bet you that thing's the battery. Looks like a coin. Alright, so the instructions, we'll go ahead and open that up. Okay, so you do have to use that piece. Let's see here. Real quick. You guys are kind of learning as I watch this, or as I go through it. Alright, setup guide. Logitech. It says right here to hook the USB up to the computer, and then we hook the other cable end up to that what looks like a dongle. So we'll do that first. Okay, I see what it is. You can hook it up to the dongle, to the USB, or you can hook this USB straight up to the mouse, this end. So I guess we'll try it the wireless way, like it says in the book. We'll go ahead and plug that in. That's a transmitter. So you're not going to see it off camera, but I'm plugging this back into the USB. on the back of my PC. Okay, there we go. We heard that pop in. Took out the plastic, turned the mouse to on. Yeah, it didn't say to put any. Didn't say to do anything else. Okay. Yep. So that thing is a battery. So let's go ahead and pop that out. Interesting. It's like a magnetic cover. Go ahead and slide that right in. Oh, there it goes. Ah, interesting. And it's already registering on the PC. So we'll kind of compare the two feelings here real quick. So this is the mouse I was using. This Corsair. I can't remember the model number off the top of my head right now, but it has this one has a really good feel, but like I said, after a couple hours of use, it's made for a right hand, so, and there's no way to switch these buttons or anything, so it just really sucked for me. Yeah, so compared to this one, you know, yeah, this one definitely feels a lot better for my left hand. Now, it said here you can switch the buttons here. I don't know how true that is. Go ahead and pull. It looks like these are the. Oh, I'll use this side. Yeah, this is the left-handed side. Huh? Yeah, so this goes right on. Oh, you can have separate buttons too. I see. You have the separate buttons. Oh, they're magnetic. Oh, that is nice. I'm gonna do the separate buttons. I like that a little bit better. I play games like MechWarrior Online, stuff like that. And then I'll go ahead and okay, they're on that side too. So now, yep, I can just use that a lot. Yep. So these two buttons right here, as you can see me switching the light. This is the speed of your mouse right there, your actual cursor. Okay, and then that speeds it up real nice. Put it in the middle. It glows and changes colors. This mouse wheel, ooh, oh. That mouse wheel is free floating. It doesn't click at all. It doesn't have a, I don't know if you can adjust that or not. Oh, yep, you can, the button. So, the mouse, the middle mouse button, is free floating. You can lock it down with this button, and it gives you that click feel, which is what I like. That is a very nice feature right there. All right, that's a very nice feeling mouse right there. Yep. So the G903 from Logitech. It's wireless, option of being plugged in for left-handers. It's apparently a really good mouse. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm building my wife's new PC, so she'll get this mouse. She's right-handed, so. All right, I appreciate you guys watching this video. I'm gonna test it out for a day or two, and then I might do another video review on it as far as playing video games. All right, thank you.